Hi there. Today's lesson is about this is, these are, and subject pronouns. This is a picture. These are pictures. Use this is to talk about one person or thing near you. This is a picture. Use these are to talk about two or more people or things near you. These are pictures. Use is this and are these to ask questions. For example, is this a picture of my family? Yes, it is. Are these pictures of my neighbors? No, they aren't. Subject pronouns replace subject nouns. Subject pronouns go before the verb in a statement. I, you, he, she, and it are singular subject pronouns. Singular means one. We use he for a male, she for a female, and it for a thing or an animal. We can use he or she to talk about an animal too. This is my brother. He is in college. This is my sister. She has a daughter. We, you, and they are plural subject pronouns. Plural means more than one. These are my parents. They are good parents. I talk to my brother, my sister, and my parents every week. We are a close family. The pronoun you can be either singular or plural. For example, I can speak to one person and say, you are a student. I can speak to the class and say, you are students. Contractions are short forms. Use contractions in speaking and informal writing. For example, I am a teacher, or I'm a teacher. You are a student, or you're a student. He is my brother, or he is my brother. She is my sister, or she's my sister. They are my parents, or they're my parents. We are a close family, or we're a close family. Oh, this is my cell phone. It's my sister. I have to talk to her. Bye. Hello?